Minuanam Ghana for way 2022 core mathematics questions and answers. Channel way a mass in tree. Esansa kwese brofonya ye kasa nti aye de chade a titro ne mass no na ye mu bidinsi e bete ase. Enti akwese mu bedwen se mass e dem pa. Na so se mu follow me mu be se mass nya den sa. Enti aye ofa subscribe na share link ne ma onua no afen so comment. Section A no ekita 40 marks. Questions no so 5. Baako bia 8 marks. Into 8 questions, 5 questions ni nyina obenya 40 marks. Esanse baako bia 8 marks enunti. After so all questions are compulsory and it carries equal marks. Just a question ni nyina no by force. Ni nyina marks nso ye pepepe. And the answer question 1 or say the third and eighth terms of a geometric progression are. Then geometric progression. You can geometry ankasa or maxima. Geometry or maxima ye shapes, they say triangle, square, oval. Now so say yeah the progression because geometry no ho anase you can see geometric progression ya. Progression ankasa ye si bibi nyankoso. Wa nyankoso so den na obeka achi. Into geometric progression you say ababi different variable no say be a n say be a x say be a y no so anase sorting ana e kase terms nso a terms ne betimi that to school a aya ko ho ye mfa ne say ye ko school ne e be makwan a e be your first term and your second term. And the first term no e be the 3 months ne ko school na second term no so ye ba na the 3 months ko school ma na just intervals a what term obia mo na 3 months. Ya be sha de we nso geometric progression mu. And na be a friend ratio no. Into say 4 and 1/256 respectively. Na just obia na de third na 4 and 8 na 1/256. And you can find the common ratio. You can be a common be a honya ding and as be a enya na subi hu. You found money hu. You can ratio division and I say inchichemu. And to say the 2 koche 4 ma yenya 2. Ya the 4 koche 8 ma yenya 2. Ya the 8 koche 16 ma yenya 2. And 16 divided by 8 ye 2. 8 divided by 4 ye 2. Enti ya share ratio ni nyina mu a anase division ni nyina mu a ye hu se 2 ana ye common wom anase 2 de e ho nya na wom anya de nse be hu 2 nchichemu ni nyina mu ana se mfa na first term ana sum of the first and second terms and the term bia no ye benya bibi e friend common ratio e wo mu. Common ratio no the same one ni nyina mu. It the same intervals and as the same limits. And to GP in the first time, the friend A, any genama be a variable, into variable near A. And a second term, no so see AR. R near ratio, and see a first term, no time, seeing ratio, no, and my second term. And the sanity say, and the percent your third term on so, yenim de better that adding, yet the ratio no best time, say another ratio beam. Into the more the ratio no times ratio no na terms no if you say ratio no na ye common e woni nyina mu ana me nya common ratio and say we do question na okay see and third term no e 4 and say first term ye a na second term e ar na the ratio no multiply na ho na nya another ratio there and na ar times r ar square 4. What would then be the 8th term? Into 8th term and be the there. You say first term near A, and Tienfa A into baby answer. The second term no say AR, and also no say to baby answer. After a third term no, say third term 3 and enter sa, into AR raised to the power 3 minus 1. Arubiano raised to the power 9 1 frame. And the third term AR raised to the power 3 minus 1 a be AR square. And fourth term no be AR cube. And as AR raised to the power 3. Fifth term be AR raised to the power 4. Sixth term be AR raised to the power 5. Seventh term be AR raised to the power 6. And the eighth term no be AR raised to the power 7. And as I say r raised to the power 8 minus 1. 8 minus 1 is 7. Nti eno ano no. Nti ni 8th term deda. Ano say no na 1 over 256. Nti betuma esu en third. Ene 8th term no e da find your first term no. Na so common ratio no ana ho hia pa first. Nti no ye be use equation 1 no. Ana for equation 2 no e da solve common ratio no. Nti equation 1 over the mayen. Nti equation 1 no 8th term and 2 na 3rd term. Nti ar raised to the power 7 over ar raised to the power 2 is equal to ar raised to the power 7 here 1 over 256 and ar raised to the power 2 near 4. Nti the divided. Nti be cancel out. Nti a be cancel a na r raised to the power 7 so I cancel r raised to the power 2. Yebenya r raised to the power 5. Eno ane 1 over 256 times 1 over 4. Division of 4 no honom. In the sepasi ye nyansa na ye be change division and multiplication. Into 4 no gina 1 so that 1 e denominator but ye ntro. And the say multiplication about the ye the 1 about be numerator no and there was here tro. Na they divided by 4 into 1/4. Into 256 times 4 no ye benya 1024. 1 times 1 and so ye 1 and into r raised to the power 5 no ya it is equal to 1 over 1024. So na calculations no etie afi yenum say ye GP dida and as geometric progression and afi so the sequence are in ratios into or say ye denominator no 1024 no to say r raised to the power 5 and as 1024 no to say r raised to the power 5. Send e be no momenhwe ebe 1 over 4 raised to the power 5. Also let's check it out. Didn't na tesa esan say nim say 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times 4 no and 1 4 square. Yen for variable x any example on say s square say x no angasa times so no angasa no into s times s and 1 s square into 4 times 4 is 4 square into benesa into 4 times 4 times 4 4 cube in 64. 4 raised to the power 4 256 and 4 raised to the power 5 and as a 4 times 4 times 4 times 4 times 4 no and no and r raised to the power 5 is equal to 1 over 4 raised to the power 5. And 4 raised to the power 5 no you bet me the 256 no at times 4 you benya 1024. Yeah, the 4 so times no sa 5 on so you benya 1024. You both calculate them straight in so you benya 1024. Manfa raised to the power 5 number into me the ma de ahye honom. Nti no me r raised to the power 5 no me the ma de ahye honom is equal to 1 over 4 raised to the power 5. They all raised to the 5th power. Nti you bet me find the 5th root no of both sides. So anka square anka be find the square root. Now so na say 5 nti no you be find the 5th root. Say the square root no sounds na 5th root no. Nti no r raised to the power 5 no be cancel the 5th root no. And if 1 over 4 raised to the power 5 no. You bet me the nyina bracket mu. 1 raised to the power 5 here 1 na. 4 raised to the power 5 no. And the 5 no be cancel 5th root no. And as 1 raised to the power 5 kwa no ono so the 5 no be cancel 5th root no. Into 1 there be 1 na a constant. By 4 no there 4 raised to the power 5 no better than 4 no. And a third time no say ar square. And I say I don't have 4. Into the common ratio say in common ratio 1 over 4 there. And then bit my find it ar square. Or convention a benesa. At the end of time say common ratio no. Common ratio no say 1 over 4. Into a into bracket 1 over 4 all square. If we say r square into 1 square 1 and 8 times numerator I 1 and be my a 4 square 16 into a over 16 I equal to 4. And say a over 16 4 I bet my cross multiplication a bet times denominator na 4 na say na 1 no 8 times 1 my a na 16 so better times 4 no a cross multiplication 16 times 4 na ebe my 64 into anya first term no a no you common ratio Nti bet man find the term be a person find this here. In the sum of the first and second term, yeah, but first term a 64, and second term no so AR. AR na no A times R in the and 64 times R no 1/4 in the first term times ratio no in second term no 64 times 1 is 64 all over 4 4 to make 64 almost 16 times and say say second term na 16 first term na 64 you can 16 na 64 but my yebenya 80 into enya second term no enya sum of the first and second term no yawie sa question yawie question 1 into the 8 marks ashe bottom moma yanko question 2 no so in a school election for the position of SRC president, one candidate obtained 87.5% of the votes cast. The other candidate obtained a total of 275 votes. Eka percentage ye ohamunji chemu obibi mu. Enti 87.5% no. Se wade oha no mu no. First one nya emu adeotwenso achiripo num. 87.5%. Now second one the nim percentage onya ade. Now so yepese hu a ye better 100 na free 87.5 ne mu. Na enya ono so percentage. Ba ye nim so onya 275 vote today. Enti betimi de aye. No say how many votes did the winner obtain? Dodi nkunim no onya amadodo osen. Anna B no say if the voter turnout was 55%, find the total number of eligible voters in the school. Ye kasi turnout anya say abaye dan anase abaye say or say eno yo ahamunji chemu aduonum num. Afin so kasi obi a eligible voter, obi a oduru botae ya say oto aba no ho anase o safata so oto aba. Ebe wanyin anase o ho kwan so oto aba. Nti oso find sa nkrofo nom total e school ni mu. Ye TPV. Yakasi TPV a high na de begina ha ma total percentage of vote. Total ni percentage ye P ana venue vote. Nti no na 100%. It's say total no. Eyo hamunji chimpepepe. And the candidate enya 87.5% there. Yenim se candidate B benya 12.5%. If we say 100%. If we 87.5% more, yenya 12.5%. And I say ohamunji chemudumienu achiripo enum. Yento aso. Enti sa 12.5% of vote no say 275. Ye pese hu ye total vote no. And 12.5% no, and 12.5 over 100 is equal to 275. And 12.5 over 100 no, 100 never cross equal to sign and now times 275 no. Now this out to divided by 12.5. You bring 2,200. Say answer. After you perceive in total vote. You perceive in winners vote more chairman. And the total vote 2,200 and as in Pimino ni ahanu ni losers vote near 275 and as ahanu ado sunum never see me winners vote no dia yet total ni losers ni ma ye benye winners and neighbor se benye 1925 and as apem ahan no ado num percentages match them on next video nemu. Yanto aso. Now so ema bi say ema na say no na ye fe no turnout no anasa ba da na ye no na yo hamunchichemu aduonum num 55%. 55% no so no anu so ne 55 over 100. Enti no ye be equal to 2,200 no. And 55 over 100 no 100 no be times 2,200 no. It's a be cross multiplication. And be 220,000 and as opihanu aduno. Na the 55 no so divide opihanu aduno no. Na nya empemo 9 ye benya 4,000. And be answer. Yanko ya nimo question 3 no so. A mason hired a laborer to fill a cubic rubber tank of length 1.2 meters with water. And to mason nimbi akope laborer so on filling ne tank man tank akese ni bipa na tank ni length sa aya calculating in volumes And the length ne 1.2 meters there. Yen volume no be 1.2 meters cube of water. And I never find it. Ani libra kruya no aya kopeni mesin ni akopeni akofa container so de be konsuo container ne volume ne 54 liters ana mesin ne ya adwen se ene obetua ne ka 1.75 cedis for container ba ko bi obeko ento ko container na ma aye tank ne ma enti no video yi mu no ye behwe ne afa ne answers e de ama volume e wo liters nim esan se container no de konsuo ne 54 liters ayana liter mu edo sin meters cube esan say 1000 meters cube na be ma ye 1 liter enti no rubber tank na de sumum na length no na ye 1.2 times 1.2 times 1.2 and as 1.2 cube no I be calculate no ana mo ya adwen so betua no 1 cd 75 pesos container ba ko bi obeko bia container na ye 54 liters no ko ba ko bia na obema no 1 cd 75 pesos. And no yen calculate 2 liters mu the volume of the tank. Enti ye free ba ko ansa na yakomenu nti no volume no de be ko m cube and as meters cube mu ansa na de akoye liters ana afa bi no or say the number of containers of water that can fill the tank. Container do betima afle yen tank no. And as in so say the amount of money paid to the laborer to fill the tank of water. Sika do laborer ni benya nyina so fill tank ni nyina ria. Enti enfa e ni nhase e no volume ni m times m and as m cube. M ni meters no. A times on ankasa na 3 times and I say raising to the power to the third power no. And meter cube no. Enti the blue ashenso de blue ana meter cube no. Said no be different our the akanem our sakwan so rubber tank in sheka se na length no na 1.2 meters no length ne nko a and said 1.2 meters na times na 1 times and as 1.2 raised to the power 3 na ye benya 1.728 meters cube I know yeah convention kakra convention na 1000 meters cube eno ye 1 liters and I say apem ba kono tetrete basa famensa ye kase basa fa na raised to the power 3 no basa 3 ye hu ye twini kakra enti answer na the times 1000 na ye benya 1728 liters yenko bi no so so the number of containers that can fill the tank container do ebetimi a tank ne ma ye container no so na nas container na labor ne ko fa no so de be konsu no na 54 liters nti be divide 54 by 1728 liters no liters cancel liters eno na menya number if you say number the any unit nti nya 32 number na 32 liters cancel liters number so na units sa nti enya eno so yenko yensi no so straight the amount of money paid to the laborer to fill the tank. The number of containers that can fill the tank is equal to 32. Container do asamienu and a bit my tank nema. And a mess no sooner in a year advance so bit 1.75 cedis for each container and as for container ba kubia. And a container no yedi a chance to de blue iron. Enti every day 1.75 no every time say 32 no. Na nya cedi 56 cedis. Enti sika onyanya na 56 cedis e won so okọ enimu wanya fa so na so boka e ma asem yenko next question no so question 4 high near draw diagram na diagram no e angles question na ba no composite question na e ka ho bi horizontal lines menu we nyina kita arrows ne ye e kire say ni nyina e corresponding angle essence ni nyina ni kire fa ako and as the same direction. And PQ line PQ no parallel to line RS. Often is not drawn to scale. Any scale be me drawing in your venture me. And no yeah the my say S is to Y is equal to 2:7 ratios. And on S divided by Y is equal to 2 divided by 7. And S no so 7m minus 16 equation 1. It's a corresponding angle share. Baby as ne one baby as 7m minus 16 wa ye be say na corresponding angle and I feel no so no y na 180 minus x and equation 2 and say person nya y na nkasa na s na 7m minus 16 into 180 minus all into bracket 7m minus 16 ɛno yɛ yɛn y no. Enti no yɛwɔ equation 1 sisi a na yɛwɔ equation 2 sisi a negative 1 hyɛ into bracket na but yɛntwerɛ fi sɛ 1 nti negative 1 times 7m ama yɛ negative 7m. Negative 1 times negative 16 ama yɛ positive 16 ɛfiri sɛ negative times negative ɛyɛ positive. Ye change subject kakra na say group items kakra bi wɔ hanom a yɛbɛn so 180 plus 16 yɛ 196 minus 7m no. Ɛno ne yɛ equation 3 sisi a o. Ɛnyɛ equation 3 afiri y nim. Ana ratio no so yɛ 2:7. Ɛno ne 2 divided by 7. Ana s over 7 is equal to 2 divided by 7. S no so na no so yɛ ratio. Na so ratio deɛ ɛno ne division. Cross multiplication kakra so bɛkɔ so. Enti no 1 by times 2/7 no. Enti yɛde benya s no. S no so yɛ 7m minus 16 is equal to 2/7. 1 no so yɛ 196 minus 7m. Afei nya equation from a yɛde solve o. Enti no yɛbɛ group items kakra. Na ansa na yɛbɛ group items no equal to sign wɔ hanom. And that is say 1 by cross so equal to sign no. 1 cross so yɛbɛnya 49m minus 112 from yɛde times here. 2 no so bɛ multiply the one bracket no mu nyina na nya 392 minus 14m. Enti enya eno afiri mu na ansa no yɛbɛtumi de ho kwan we a group like terms. And 49m plus 14m is equal to 392 plus 112. Yɛka 49m and 14m ma enya 63m aduosia miɛnsa. Ana afei 392 plus 112 no ma yɛ 504. You divided by 63 na m ne yɛ 8 nti m is equal to 8 and as yɛ m no ɛyɛ nwɔtwe. Yɛn kɔ last question no so ɛyɛ question 5 a ɛde yɛn paper no ɛyɛ compulsory parts no ɛba awie no trigonometry kakra wɔ mu and as we trigonometry so ma yɛn si a no sin y is equal to 5/13 ana ma yɛn range of y no a yɛ angles in degrees no say less or equal to 0 and less or equal to 90 degrees. Ana ma yɛn si evaluate bibi 3 cos y minus 2 sin y ni nyinaa no ayi equal 6 tan y equal into all divided by 6 tan y. Yɛn fɛntu yɛn kotodwe mu sɛ the sin y ma yɛn na yɛ 5/13. B no say a number is chosen at random from the set of integers 10 to 30 inclusive. Find the probability that the number is a multiple of 3 and 4. Into answer probability and so find the integers near 10 to 30. Yen shall see a no I yen trig no and as trigonometry no. Cause y 12/13 ya de mayen. Tan 1 so 5/12 ya de mayen. Yen kai se o ka se sin y na 5/13. Enti ha na de bibia be hyem cause y na 12/13 and as ye kukuru dia hyem. Sin y na 5/13. Ye kukuru dia hyem. Tan y no so 5/12 and as ye de be kukuru dia hyem. Na 3 na at times se de kukuru di hyem no. No gina ma cause y no. Na 2 no so at times se sin y no. Kukuru de be hyem no. Na 6 no so at times na de. Enti ha na be ye ha no an to bo ase a obeti. Or so to bo ase. Na de di so ne nketin. Ora hye bebro ha na ma obeti. Sanse ha na na ye gento bo ase. Enti also ma calculator eben. Enti se sin y ne mpo ne sanka ha na mpo no wura fi hu mpo a sei na abaye no. Sin ne so OH no opposite and hypotenuse. And the sign opposite over hypotenuse. And the cos y din na tan y din a. One kasa be hu se opposite near 5. Esanse tan no so ye to opposite over adjacent. And tanka wanya opposite ne say 5. And cos no so ye ka adjacent over hypotenuse. Hypotenuse no so na 13 no. And tanka wanya opposite over hypotenuse 5/13. Enti no ye ndi so ne kakra. Yeah, the mixed fraction fraction mu say proper na improper yeah the come. Enti no yeah the 3 times 13 36 all over 16 no minus yeah the 2 no so times 5 na yeah 10 all over 13 no. Ni nyina mu no 6 tan y na yeah 30/12 ni ko chem. Now so yeah LCM ma numerator na yeah benya 2 ama no. Afin so ase ode no yeah the 6 30 ma yeah 5 yeah the 6 12 ma yeah 2. Enti yeah 2 times 2/5. Na nke division mum. Na so division mu no ye change upper a numerator no denominator no ansa na da nya final answer enti nya 4/5 yenye b no b no ye probability oman bibi efe element no na ye n no ano say it represent a set of numbers a 10 to 30 inclusively no enti 10 11 12 13 14 15 3 dot na kire say bi to aso na so skip answer enko hanam enti eto aso 26 ekopem 30 ana de nyina hye na bracket mu eno ne element n the set of values eno no ni nyina so integers 10 to 30 no enti de no be probability no enti okase find multiples of 3 multiples of 3 so we yen set no ye 12 15 18 21 24 na 27 30 mpoka ho isanse no so multiples of 3 times 10 30 ano sanka asen find another multiples and then multiples of 4 senye ye multiples of 3 no nenye ye multiples of 4 na ye betimi so find multiples of 3 and 4 sana probability etie multiples of 4 no so no I was a set of integers aye 10 to 30 mo no aye 12 16 20 24 and 28 ana multiples of 3 and 4 no your 3 and your 4 no nti afi de betima bibia simple multiples of 3 and 4 na kire say multiples of 3 mu na esan 4 mu ye hwe ni nyina ma 12 ana 24 pe ana ebenya free mu nti no ye bekenkan ema ni nyina dodo from 10 to 30 no 21 and 8 total nti ni nyina 21 ana 7 ne ye 3 multiples of 3 ye kan omunyina ye 7 multiples of 4 ye kan omunyina ye 5 ana 3 and 4 no so ye 2 nti ye calculate bibia na say de ko LCM a ye benya say 12 minus 2 all over 21 10/21 we de minimum say nyina ye betimi aye nti ye awie nti ye de end of part 1 of Wassce 2022 core maths no abawie me pa subscribe channel we higher maths in tree ayo fa first send you share link no why me damase